So grand total, like I said, the bike cost me $180, $186, and the parts, the grand total was $419.81. So that comes to a grand total of $601.66 for my 26-inch bike.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Alright. Here. Finishing up my first 2 builds. Gonna get some details on this one. The parts, how much it costs. Not gonna hide nothing before I get too deep into building. I think I'm gonna put this at the end of the video. Here we go. Starting off the parts I got from eBay. This Sunday Barpad. $13.95 plus $3 in shipment from eBay. Next we have this Eastern Bikes real fat seat camo green, $15 plus $3 shipping. Next, that's not here, is the Sprocket. I got a gold Sprocket, which was $17.99 plus $4.75 shipping, and I had to buy a spacer for my 19mm spindle, which was $6.99 also. I got some ODI nylon bar ends, a set of purple and a set of pink, because I wanted to do a little something different. They were $5.95 each. Those aren't here yet either. And then I got an 8-spline chromoly 19mm spindle to go with my new bottom bracket. It's right here. Off eBay for $13.95 plus $5.95 in shipping. In total, I spent $96.52 on eBay on parts, including shipping. Next, we went on to design, Amazon. Since I got new tires, I got a Corky 3-piece tire changing tool. It's metal. Had some good reviews. Should be all I need to, help ease the using a screwdriver like we've always used to do. $6.99, of course, just, from Amazon Prime. I got these green skull valve cover caps off design. They come in a 4-pack. These are $9.99. Since this comes with the old style quill stem, I wanted a threadless, so I got this threadless stem adapter off of design. Also, this was $14.64. I'm not going to use this generic headset cap, so I got this one off design. Nice little lady on it. Looks a little smaller. We'll see how that works. This was $6.89. I got a seat post clamp that's not here yet. That was $8.99. It's green. Spoke skins. These are $9.99. 72 piece. So in a total off design, I got spent $57.50. Next, we're going to go to Dan's Comp, the one-stop shop for BMX parts. I like to get different colors, and sometimes they don't have everything in stock, so I shop everywhere, but they're my main place. Sunday green conical integrated headset. Come with a spacer. This was $21.99. I got a Rant Bang Your Head, Bang Your BB, gold 19mm bottom bracket. This was $20.99, 19mm. I got a Fit Bico high top V2 stem pink, $29.95, along with the Shadow Conspiracy hollow stem bolt kit, 6-piece pink to go with that. Next we have the Rant Spring linear brake cable, lemon green color. It's cheap at $7.99. The ODI F1 series float grips, they were on sale, 130mm, $5.99. Kind of cool actually. I didn't even realize they were ODI when I got the ODI bar in, so they gonna know they'll fit together. Next I got the Mission 510 chain. You get 14, I got 510. They say it's better, so we'll see. I don't know. Green color, 1A side. Next we got the Mission Tracker Tire Arctic Camo, 26 by 2.3. Pair for $49.98. Cool ties, really cool. I like these. Stolen Thermalite PC pedals. Nice upgrade. Look at that. Nice, a lot more foot room. Do wheelies and tricks and all that type of cool stuff the kids do. Those are $14.99. Rant Spring Clear brake pads, $6.99. So all together, everything I paid $26 in shipping from Dan's Comp, plus the parts is a total of $182.81. Comes to a grand total of $208.81. Spent at Dan's Comp. Last but not least, Pork Chop BMX. I placed this order like on Saturday, and I kid you not, it came Monday. That's the fastest. Shout out Pork Chop BMX.com if you need to go get some cool BMX parts. But I got the Diacomp MX2 V brakes, gold anodized, cool. Take those brake pads off with the cool, better, grippy, clear ones in. Better stoppage. You're not doing front brakes on this bike. Forget about it. I do have the Diatech/Diacomp, same company. Tech 99. Gold finger right hand lever. 22.2 millimeter, small, cool little lever. You know, I don't need a big one. This was $29.99. So I spent a grand total of $56.98 at Pork Chop. Free shipping. Like I said, I ordered it on Saturday and it came Monday. I ain't kidding. I was so sad. Just as surprised when this bike came. They said it was supposed to come July 9th, 21st or something like that, and it came June 27th, so it's crazy. So the bike itself I got from Walmart was $181.86. Like I said, it came real early. I ordered it on a Tuesday, it came the following Wednesday. I ordered it on a Monday and it came the following Tuesday. I just ordered this bike last Monday when when I canceled my order from the other bike. I'm not gonna say the company, but I canceled that order and went and These pipes were supposed to be for that bike, but I saved a lot of money. That bike was 450 bucks. This bike was 180, 186. So, grand total. Like I said, the bike cost me 180, 186. And the parts, the grand total was $419.81. So that comes to a grand total of $601.66 for my 26-inch bike. Let's go, and I'm about to start building it. One thing I don't have is the Sprocket. Sprocket, C-post clamp. There was one more thing, but nothing else major. Oh yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna use these or not. It comes with these bar pads. Of course, I got the handlebar pads to go, the green color scheme. This kind of matches. I could do this pink to kind of, go with that pink. I don't know, we'll see.